Hey friends, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel Moon333, where I'm posting the different trading ideas. But always do remember that the information I'm providing at this channel in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In this video, I'm going to show you the move of Bitcoin for this week on day chart, and that can be a midterm chart or midterm trade. That will be also a trading idea where you can buy or where you can sell. And first, I'm just going to take you to the day chart of BTC with US dollar pair of Bitfinex, and this is the chart. Okay, the very first and important thing which we can see on this chart is that the price action is forming a harmonic bullish bad pattern, and we can see and understand how this pattern is perfect or can be perfect. Okay, after initial leg, that which is x to a, the c to the a to b leg should be retraced between point 382 to 50 Fibonacci, and here we can see the price action. Uh, the retracement is 0.476 Fibonacci, and after that, the B to C leg should be retraced between 0.382 to 886 Fibonacci. And here if we place the pattern tool, then we can see that it is retraced up to 0.443 Fibonacci. So this leg is also perfect as required for the bad pattern. And C to D leg should be retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. So far, the price action is retraced up to 0.66 Fibonacci. So the price action can move more down to complete this final leg of this bad pattern from 0.786 from almost up to here, 0.786, and from here our potential bullish potential reversal zone will be started, from where the price action will be moved up again from here up to 0.886 Fibonacci, almost up to here. So this is our bullish potential reversal zone. Once the price action will be entered here, then it can take the bounce from this area and move up again. Now our buying zone is defined here, and this is the area from where we can buy. The question is where we can sell or take exit, and that is the A to D Fibonacci projection from here up to here. So this is our sell zone, or the area we can sell here. And if the price action will cross up this area of 786 Fibonacci, then the Bitcoin can move up to 11,000 or 12,000 levels, between the 11,000 or 12,000 levels. But since we are looking for a short-term or mid-term trade, then we can buy here and sell here. And there are some few more questions, because if the price action will cross down this area, then it can go for the bullish crab pattern. So the price action can move more down from 1.27, almost from here, up to 1.618 Fibonacci, almost up to here, up to this level. In order to secure our trade or ourselves from this situation, we can just take care of few points, and that is, first of all, we should wait for the price action to enter in this potential reversal zone, and after when the price action will be here, then we should see that the RSI should be entered in the oversold zone more than 30 levels. At this time, it is at 40.86. And the next thing is the stochastic, sorry, this is a stochastic, should give the bull cross from the oversold zone. At this time, you can see the stochastic is in oversold zone, but still it is in bear cross. So once the blue line will cross up this orange or red line, then we can place our buying orders. And the most important thing is if we see the moving average conversion divergence, and that is MACD, then we can see it is turned weak bearish. So when we'll find the price action in this area, this potential reversal zone, it should be like this, weak bearish, or the strong bullish. If it will be strong bearish, then we shouldn't place our buying orders in that situation. We should wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, and then we can take our long position or place the buying orders. And now I'm just taking you to the chart I've published to show you the accurate targets. And this is my chart I've published yesterday. All right, there's one more thing. You can see that on this chart, we are having a kind of death cross. The small moving average, the 100 moving average, simple moving average, is crossing down the 200 moving average. So this death cross can lead the price action up to here in this potential reversal zone. So at this time, if we see, there is no situation that we should buy the Bitcoin. But once it will be entered in this area from 8,006 to 7,692 zone or levels, then we can place our buying orders. And after meeting all these situations, which I have already told you earlier, and here we can see our buying and sell target zones. This is the buying range, and these are the sell targets. I've also published this chart on the Tradingview, and I have shared the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. Yeah, you just need to click on that link, and after when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select the people option from here. And after selecting the people option, you just need to write Moon 333, and you will find my page. And on my profile page, I've shared my all charts here. You'll find all those charts which I've published here. And here on the first page, you can also find my Bitcoin chart. So thank you so much for watching the complete video. This was the move of the Bitcoin for this week. I'll be back soon with more profit potential and beneficial ideas. Take care. Goodbye.